Hi, myself Basavaraj GK. Today I am conducting an analysis on a orders written that has taken place over a 3 years of time, that is 2014, 2015, and 2016, which has been written by the customers. So we'll be conducting an analysis for this. So basically, this is my Power BI dashboard report titled Orders Written Analysis with year-on-year insights it will be providing. So the object of the dashboard is to analyze employees' performance, study return patterns, and identify year-over-year changes. The dataset that I have used in these projects are orders 2014, orders 2015, orders 2016, along with the people and return data. So moving on to the data preparation and model. So first I have imported the data from the get data over here. So after importing the data, first I have appended all three orders files like 2014, 2015, and 2016 using a Power Query. So then I cleaned the data by removing the null values and correcting the data types. Next, I created a date table using a DAX function and marked it as an official date table. So this is the date table that I have created. So this is the basically the order table, which is having a orders of 2014, 15, and 16 year. These are the order tables that I have used. This is the return table, this is the people table, and this is the another table that I have generated for return to create a return measures over here. So and it is marked it as official date and table to support a time intelligence calculations. So this is basically used for calculating a time used for time intelligence calculations. So in this model, I designed a proper star schema. We can see the fact table, that is a central table on made as a order, and the table is connected to the data, date, people, return, and return measures. So this model ensures accuracy, faster queries, and proper relation flow between the tables. So I will now walk through with the dashboard. So basically, this is a dashboard. So at the top, we have three KPIs cards, return rate percent, average return rate, and a return count. So these KPIs are built using a DAX measures with a year-over-year comparison. So return rate is 8.89%, and average return value is 0.36K, that is 365.38 rupees approx. And the return value is the return count is 594. These cards provide an instant overview of a performance matrix of the return analysis that we are conducting. So coming to the line chart, in the line chart below shows the return count year over year trend by month year wise categorical distribution. So categorical distribution, the dark line represents the uh, current year's return count, and the blue line, that is a light blue line, represents the last year's uh, return count. This helps to compare monthly performance across the years. From this trend, we can observe noticeable peaks in the mid in 2015, that is from Jan 2016, Jan 2015, and everything. So, and earlier 2016, showing that the returns were higher during these months. On right side, the bar plot, stacked bar plot we have used here. So this shows the top five customers by return count. Each bar compares the current and last year data side by side. For example, Victoria Wilson and Joseph Carroll consistently appear among the top contributors. This helps identify who needs improvement and maintain stable performance. Who are actually placing a more return orders than compared to the other customers. So at the bottom there is a donut chart showing the percentage contribution of each employee to the total returns. Overing over this and segment shows that the current year and the last year share. So allowing a comparison for contribution shift over a time, this helps in identify which customers have increased or decreased their impact on total returns. So talking about the interactivity filters, the dashboard includes the interactive slicers for year, customer name, and region. Selecting any filter dynamically updates all the visuals in a real time. For example, When I select year, the like consider 2015, so the dashboard has all changed their values by interactive feature. So in 2015, the return rate was 5.8%. The average return value was 650 rupees, somewhere around 650 or 0.65 thousand. And total return count was 122. So the contribution was also, you can see the each customer contribution. This is the top five customers with the return count. Sung Park is the top one, and the Yes of Carol is at the bottom. So this is the year over year return count. Here also you can see from at the mid at the 2015 and mid of 2015, you can see there is a lot of data is reaching the saturation point. So when I select 2016, here also we can see the same pattern is going on here, but here the top customer has changed and the return rate was 6.03% and the average return was 486 and return count is 156. In 2014, 106. So the trend we can see over here is with increase in year, the return count is increasing over a period of time. So this interactivity allows users to explore a return trends at a different levels of details, company-wide or individuals. To summarize the findings, the overall return rate is 8.89% and they showing the slightly improvement over the last years. So average return value has decreased slightly, meaning returns are smaller but frequent. Uh, Average order is all, that's what the data is saying over here. So returns tends to spike in a third quarter of each year, showing a seasonal trends. So in third quarter, we can observe the return is having a spike over here. So this is from August, December, and Feb. So in third quarter, the most of the returns are tend to be spike or reaching the saturation value. So a few few customers contribute heavily to the returns, indicating where focused improvement can be create a major impact. So this Power BI dashboard enables management to monitor performance, evaluate employee effectiveness, and measure over year progress efficiently. So thank you for watching this video of my order return analysis and the dashboard walkthrough. I hope you will be having a great day. Thank you.